Welcome to my YouTube channel, Appliance Flipper 8590. On this channel, I'll be showing you how to repair washers, dryers, stoves, and refrigerators. So subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, comment, if you like it or not. I can take it all. I'm a man, I can take it all. And if you would like to purchase parts and tools needed to complete the repair, there's a link in the description box. So, I have links there for tools that you might not have, as well as parts. Also, if you'd like to contribute to the production of these videos, there'll be a PayPal link in the description. So let's get started. Okay, in this video, I'll show you how to remove and replace the lid on this GE gas dryer. Show you what tools you need. You have the electric screwdriver, 1/4 inch bit or Phillips head bit. If you want to do it manually, you can have a 1/4 inch driver or just a regular Phillips head screwdriver. Those are the tools you need. Okay, we're going to turn the dryer around to its back. First thing we're going to do is remove this control panel plate in the back here. You need a 1/4 inch drive, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Phillips head screws, but you can use a 1/4 inch electric screwdriver to remove them. So I'm using the 1/4 inch bit to remove this. So that's 1, 2, here's 3, 4, and 5. Then you have 2 more screws that mount the control panel down. That's a 1/4 inch head on that. And you just remove that with your electric screwdriver also, or you can use your drive if you don't have an electric screwdriver. I recommend electric screwdriver. It helps out. It speeds the job up. So that's the left side, and you're going to go over to the right side and remove that screw, which is another 1/4 inch head screw that mounts the control panel onto the body of the dryer. Now just slide the rear plate up, and you have a little ground screw. Just pull that out, slides into a plate. Just slide that out, and you put the plate to the side. Okay, now turn it around to the front again. Now I'm going to tap the panel backwards and take it out of the slot. Okay, we're going to close in on this, the rear of the panel where the control board is. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then also you have the ground, which is 8. It's down below, so you really can't see it. So it's 7 on the board, and then you have the ground that you removed earlier. So 8 connections that had to go back. There's 1. There's 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the ground that you can't see right now. So the last 2 that I pulled off the board are relays right there. So don't have to worry about it. All the plugs match, so you can't plug anything up incorrectly. That's the good thing about it. And that's the ground right there. Just recounting all the connections. So remember, there's 7 connections. All right, you're going to open the door And there's 2 Phillips head screws mounted into the lid, there and there. So I have my electric screwdriver here with Phillips head. And take that first one out. And then you're going to take that second one out. Okay, when removing that, you have that loose, the front end is loose now. Okay, now you're going to remove the 1/4 inch screw that for the cover. You're going to remove the cover for the wire harness. Just a 1/4 inch screw and just slide it out. And now you're going to kind of stuff some of the harness through the hole where the harness comes through. You're going to lift the front of the lid, stuff the wire harness down in the hole, lift it up. You have another little black and red wire on the right side. Just pull that through the cover. Be careful, don't snag it. And now your lid is off. Okay, we're at the halfway point now, and what I want you to do now is pause the video, hit a like, a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Pause the video, hit a like, subscribe, and comment on the channel. I will have much more content on appliance repair, so you're going to want to subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's get back to the second part of reassembling the dryer. Okay, we're going to put the lid back on. Lay the lid on top of the dryer. You're going to kind of make the proper adjustments. But once you feel the lid is on there, you'll know it. It'll start feeling snug. So sometimes you have to move it around a few times for it to lock in its place. And as you see, I'm still kind of trying to make it work here. And I'm putting the black and red wire through the hole, but I'm adjusting the lid. And in a second, you'll see how this fit flush right on top of the dryer. Lift it up there. There it is. Now it's flush. Tapping it to make sure it's flush and it won't move. So now I got the electric screwdriver. And what I'm going to do now is spin it around, and I'm going to mount the rear of the lid first. Real simple. Just those 2 holes I just showed you, one on the left, one on the right. Pretty long screws. This will secure the rear part of the lid onto the dryer. And there's your hole right there, the left side rear. And you kind of just use your hand to put it in there, and you might want to kind of start it. So screw that down to secure that side of the dryer. And then we're going to go over to the right side and basically do the same thing. Slide it in there, turn it if possible manually, and then tighten down. Real simple. And now we're going to secure the front of the lid with 2 Phillips head screwdrivers. There's one on your left And here's the one on your right. Kind of hand tighten them first. Get them, align them up right. And then what you're gonna do is grab your electric screwdriver and go ahead and screw them up into the lid. This will secure the front of the lid. And now the lid is secure and tight. We're gonna put the control panel back on. And like I tell you, 7 connections here. And every connection has a part, so it's impossible to put the wrong connection on the wrong harness. So if it don't fit, it don't work. So kind of pay attention the way it was, but there's only so many places you can put it. And after a while, you'll get it to the point where you know. Okay, I'm gonna start plugging them in there. That's one. Wires are kind of all over the place everywhere, so I'm gonna have to kind of thread them out. That's 2. Three. 4. 5. 5. 6. 7. Push it in there nice and good. Okay. And we had 8, so we haven't done the ground yet. Okay, I'm wrapping the wire harness with a plastic tie. Now I'm finding the slots to put the board back on. And I'm pushing it forward to lock it in. And there was the ground you just seen that I haven't forgotten yet. Okay, there's the harness hole where the wire's coming out at. Looks like I forgot to put the cover on, so I'm gonna have to put the cover on. Pretty easy. We'll slide it in and that 1/4" screw, mount it down. Screw here. Yeah, now I'm getting the plastic tie to wrap the harness around it so it won't be moving around. Okay.
Okay, looks like that's accomplished, and we're gonna slot the control panel. Tap it forward once it's in a slot so it'll lock in place. Now we're gonna put the ground back on. That's number 8 connection, so you know all the connections are complete. And we're gonna mount that control panel black plate on now with those well, I say 5 1/4-inch screws. So we're gonna start putting those 5 screws in the back of the plate to secure it and make sure, you know, nothing gets into it. So we need 5 screws to mount that plate in, and we're almost about to wrap it up. Okay, tighten them all down. Now we need to get the 1/4-inch screws and mount the panel onto the body of the dryer. I did the left side there. Now we're gonna put the right side in. And that'll complete the project of disassembling and reassembling the GE dryer. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. I will be doing many more appliance repair video contents, and you don't want to miss it. I will save you a couple $100 on doing it yourself. Also, if you want to contribute to the production of the videos, there's a link in the description, a PayPal link. So you can just click that, and if you want to donate, if this helped you out. If you don't want to donate, at least give me a comment or a like. Have a good one.